Moria Entertainment Group proudly presents Ineza Charity Gospel Concert with Aline Gahongayire and special guests from Kenya, Kambua Matu. And Rwanda, Fanny Wibabara.
This is my time.
Be there December 18, 2015 from 6 p.m. at the Kigali Serena Hotel. Get your silver ticket now for 5,000 francs, gold for 10,000, or make your platinum table reservation by calling 0784 80 33 23. By buying a ticket, you are making a contribution to buy health coverage, Mutuelle de Santé to 3,000 families. Tickets are available now at Nakumat UTC and KCT, Blues Cafe in town, Rizmana Nyaritarama, Zion Temple, and Carrefour Supermarket Kisimenti. Ineza Charity Gospel Concert. Hallelujah. Brought to you by Konka Positive Production, Mo Sound, Serena Hotel, Amiki Color, Rebex Forex Bureau, Touch Media Design, and